Okay, continuing in the yellow slice, this problem is known as interpreting a stem and leaf display. A stem leaf display is a kind of a hybrid between a simple list of numbers sorted from small to large and a histogram or a bar graph. And so what you see here then is the numbers 21, 23, 26, and so on. The next number would be 30, then 34, then another 34, 37. So it's basically a list of numbers, but by plotting it the way they have, it allows us to quickly look at these groups of numbers here, kind of like a sideways bar graph or a sideways frequency distribution. You can begin to see that there's a lot of numbers here in the 40s and so on. Now they're going to ask us a few questions. So we look here in the first question. What was the highest number of hours worked in the 40s? Well, obviously that's real quick. You can look there and you can see the 40s are all here, and the highest in there is 48. So 48 would be the largest number of hours worked in the 40s. What was the least number of hours worked overall? Well, obviously the smallest on the list is 21. By having them sorted this way and then in order like this, it just makes it easy to find things. How many responses fell in the 50s? Well, we can see here that there were 3 of those, 55, 56, and 57. So they'll ask a series of questions like this. Each of these questions can be determined easily from the stem leaf plot. Let's try one more and see what they give us. Okay, we see here parking duration in minutes. And in this case, notice that we have 153, 164, and so on. So the shortest parking duration, well, that would be 153 minutes. Okay, the shortest parking duration in the 170s would be 173. Just helps us find things quicker. If we just simply had a sorted list, it'd be harder to look it up. How many customers had parking durations in the 190s? Well, we can see that that's immediately 2. And so, interpreting stem leaf plots. And ALEKS likes it.